Hey everybody, it's Lindsay with Organized to Save, back with 5 more tips on how to keep more money in your pocket. Alright, so you're looking for some more ways in order to keep more money in your pockets. Before we dive in, if you are new, welcome. My name is Lindsay. On my channel, I strive to teach you how to get yourself organized so that you can save your time, money, and space. This video is actually a part of a series that I'm doing on ways to save in 2019. So if you haven't checked out any of the other videos, I will leave them linked in the description below so you can check them out after this video. Okay, so let's just jump right in. So tip number 1. We're gonna save our money by literally saving our money. Yes, I want you to start saving your spare change in one spot. Now, I know this isn't a cute little piggy bank, but all you need is just a simple jar that you can start putting your change in. But the tip is to keep it in a location where you're actually gonna see it, so that way you put the money in. Instead of finding the change rolling around in your washer or your dryer, go ahead and set up a simple jar so that way when you walk in the door, it can be one of the first things that you do, emptying your pockets and putting the change into your little coin jar. Tip number 2 is to minimize or eliminate eating out. Now this could be in your overall budget, just looking and seeing if you can cut down on the amount of times that you go through that drive-through during lunchtime, or on the number of times that you go out during the week for dinner. All of those drive-through runs really add up. Instead, start implementing some of the other tips that I've shared in some of the other videos, like meal planning and doing your grocery shopping online. That's going to save you time and money, and you're actually probably going to eat a lot healthier than going through the McDonald's. All right, number 3 is something that you can do to start earning extra income, and that is to pick up a profitable hobby. If you are talented with something, why not share your talents with others and get paid to do it? What I mean by this is, for example, if you love to craft, why not sell your handmade crafts on Etsy? Go ahead and reflect on all of your hobbies and see if there's anything that you can do that can actually be sold to make money. And you're gonna love doing it, and it's gonna get you some extra money in your pocket. Number 4 is to spend time instead of money on the ones that you love. Now this can mean a couple different things. The first one is that instead of going out to the movies as a family, maybe instead you can stay home and play games. 1, you're probably going to have a better time because you're actually talking to each other, but 2, you're also going to save a bunch of money because we all know the movies can be so expensive, but just by staying home and playing games, you're going to keep that money in your pocket. Second way that you can do this is by actually doing some DIY gifting. One amazing idea that I heard about from one of my mentor moms at my MOPS group had a just blank book that she had her kids for every birthday or holiday or etc. make a handwritten drawing in there. That's what they would give to their mom or their dad for holidays and stuff. So by the time that the kids graduated, she had a full book filled with all of these drawings that just means the world to them, instead of having gifts that are probably going to be donated the next year anyways because they never used them. Number 5 is to clear out that closet. So go ahead and turn on Marie Kondo's Netflix show, binge watch it while you're clearing out your own closet. But honestly, as you're getting rid of things in your closet, you can obviously sell them so you can potentially make money back off of those items. But you're also going to have, in the end, a closet that's going to bring you so much joy. You're going to be so much more confident in what you are wearing because you actually love the pieces in your wardrobe. And you're going to have way less of a tendency to head on over to Target to pick up a new top instead of just shopping in your own closet. Alright guys, so those are my 5 tips for this episode of 5 ways to save in 2019. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite tip of this video. And don't forget to check out all the other videos in this series on the screen right now, as well as some other organizing inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll catch you next time.